This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at tax programming on the TE2400. The process is the same on the 2200, but this model I've got is a 2400. So what we're going to do is set up tax rate 1 to be 20% add in and tax rate 2 to be 5% add in. What I mean by add in is that if I set a £1 through the register, that £1 is inclusive of any tax. Getting all the information from page 16 of the manual. Hopefully I've done a little crib sheet that I can follow to try and make sense of the chart that's on the manual, because it's a little bit cryptic, but basically these are my settings for my two tax rates. So it's free subtotal to go into the tax programming. The 0125 means I want to program tax rate 1 as opposed to tax rate 2 down here. The 20 is obviously my percentage rate, and then I've got a 5 here. One of the crucial bits is this 5003, which basically tells the till that the tax rate is to be inclusive. If you want to set your tax to be add-on, so you sell a £1 through the till and then the till adds the tax on, then your code would be 5002. Okay, so I'm going to set it up. If you follow it all the way through, hopefully it will make sense. So first thing to do is turn the key around to the PGM position. And then to go into the tax settings, it's free subtotal. And then to program tax rate 1, the code is 0125. And again, you press subtotal. You now type in the tax rate. So for me, for my tax rate 1, it's 20. Save by pressing the CA amount 10 button. And then you can now input a minimum maximum tax table. Mine's 0 because I'm going to apply tax to everything within that tax rate. CA to save, and then my code 5003. This is telling the till that the tax is to be an add-in tax. CA amount 10, and then subtotal. We get a little printout confirming that tax 1 has been programmed to 20%. The minimum taxable amount is 0. And the code is 5003. I'm now going to repeat that procedure for tax rate 2, but I'm going to set tax rate 2 to be 5%. So if you're in a different territory or you're in the UK at a different time period where we've changed the tax rates, you can follow these videos through, but just obviously adjust the percentage accordingly. Normally you would start by pressing free subtotal, but we're already in the free subtotal mode of PGM, so I can jump straight to typing in the tax code, or the tax rate number, which is 0225, then subtotal. That's telling the till that I'm programming tax rate 2. From this point I then press 5 because that's the rate, then CA amount 10 to save, 0 for minimum taxable amount, CA amount 10, and then again the crucial code 5003, telling the till that the tax is to be an add-in tax, cash, subtotal, and then I can turn the key round to the register position, and then we'll just check the printout. Again, we've now got tax 2, 5%, and the same code to be an add-in code. And the next thing you need to do is, I won't do it in this video, but you need to apply your tax rates to your departments and or PLUs if you're using them. What I'll do is I'll put the link up to that video, which is probably appearing on screen now, so I'd strongly recommend checking that out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.